Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 1999 All America Selections winner, the Juliet tomato. A lot of you have probably grown this. You find it in many areas as transplants. You can get the seeds. I love this tomato for many reasons. First, let's just take a look at all the red tomatoes on there. I have not harvested any yet. We're going to go through there a little more closely. But just tons and tons of 1-inch tomatoes. These are more of a cherry type, but oblong, grape. Look at all the green tomatoes still in there. This plant will easily get to 6 feet. It's on its way to 7 feet. But the beauty of this tomato plant, besides being great tasting, besides really producing, is there's very little cracking. We've been getting crazy rain here, as I always do in my zone. High temperature. There is no cracking on any of these tomatoes. We're going to harvest all these too, so I can show you more closely. I have to go all the way down to the bottom here. This one's fallen off, no cracking, to even find one tomato that's splitting, and that's not really cracking. This is just an overripe tomato. This tomato will handle water fluctuations. Look, just look at all the tomatoes in there. There's no cracks whatsoever. And that's a big problem for a lot of gardeners. We're growing the cherry types, the grape types. When a lot of rain comes or water is irregular, they crack. These have nice, thick, glossy skins, great taste, just absolutely beautiful. So let me harvest all these and just show you what we have from first harvest. But look, I want to just show you all the tomatoes in there still. Green, green. There's probably 100 tomatoes ready to go. When you buy an All America Selections winner, I like to say the proof is in the plant. Pick up the seeds, grab the transplant, and when you put it in your garden, you're going to see why it won an award. Now we'll get back to those in a second. This plant's going to produce easily 300 plus 1-inch, 1-ounce grape type tomatoes. And I just want to show you what's still on there that's ripening, that are green, that are smaller, and it just continues. Flowers didn't drop. Continued to produce through a 115-degree heat index here for about 3 days. I mean, the tomato plant keeps growing, and the tomatoes keep coming on there. I highly recommend it for your garden. Coming back down here, there are 104 tomatoes in here from the first harvest, and I found only 3 that resemble any kind of cracking, and that's not really fruit cracking. I just think these were splitting because they were overripe, but that's all I found. The rest of the tomatoes are absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. We don't run any ads there. We just provide great profiles for new plant varieties, and we give you a lot of great gardening tips. Thanks for watching.